Camera keeps malfunctioning, boys. We're trying to show you this beautiful RJWC exhaust system that Richard just bought from Dirtylife.ca, and the camera will not cooperate. She's a beauty though, eh? That's not too bad. This thing takes okay video.
What's that?
SD card just took a shit on me. Why wouldn't it, right? A couple $100 down the drains. Now we're gonna get another SD card.
Why not? Add it to
Why
the pile.
not? Truck just broke down the other day. That just sucked $1,500 out of the old bank account. Why wouldn't it though? So the battery is hooked up proper. See what this little thing. This is his fuel tuner. Procom.
Right on.
Now we have ignition.
I just want to hear it with the quiet core in it.
Oh yeah. He just inserted the quiet core, and he also got this little insert here to direct some of the noise downwards. He figures.
It's a lot quieter.
I told you the core makes a big difference.
Big time. That's so much better.
The single is way more punchy. Wow, boys. I'm gonna try to get a GoPro shot at the same time, only because the audio is so much better. But I can't promise the SD card isn't gonna shit on us. There it is. Ooh. Wicked. Couple more. Yeah, buddy. Wow.
That makes a huge difference.
That's a monstrous difference. Holy crap.
Actually, this time around either, I didn't get any leaks with those clamps.
Good. You got them all cinched down. Awesome.
Sure.
Yep.
So,
That's wicked.
right on.
Just wicked, boys. That is the sound test of the single RJWC. Now, is that a mud edition? It is, right? Because the cap can be removed and
You can repack it.
repack it just like that. So I'm assuming. I don't know if they're just calling the duals mud editions or not.
No, that's a mud edition.
Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. Okay. It says right on top of the cap up here, boys. I don't know if you can catch that. But, finger in the shot there.
I'll tell you,
That's
with
wicked.
all that fire core out, you wouldn't believe how loud it was.
Yeah, eh?
Like it was stock car. It was stock car loud.
Worked. Super impressed, man. Super impressed again. I can't believe how much more punchy it is.
I know.
Man.
It's it seems like the throttle response is different already.
Yeah. Less delay to hear that response, through the exhaust. That's awesome. Cool, boys. That's a little update as to what Elemental ATV has been up to in his secret lair. Okay? See the big banner up there, boys, says ATV.
Yeah.
Elemental ATV.
Yeah.
And all that, eh? That's wicked. Alright, boys. Hopefully next time you see this thing, it'll be on the trail. And we can all see what she's gonna do. Look at that, man. What a
Can't
change.
wait.
What a change. Looking good, man. She's looking
It's
good.
coming along.
Yeah.
It's coming along.
He's got other surprises and stories working on too.
Oh, for sure.
One thing at a time, eh? Ready for war, boys. Sounds good. Playing with that little programmer thing there. I think he's trying to work today. I don't know. I say get rid of it altogether. That was awesome. Those rims look awesome. Tires look awesome. Not there. Nice thing. Man, good thing.
I didn't know you were there.
The echoes in here, boy.
I thought.
Wow.
Still got a bit of a coke in it.
Still got some spring cleaning to do under there, boys. I can see. Richard's building nestage.
Oh, that's after riding to your place and back. It was
Yeah.
completely frozen.
Yeah. Sorry about the audio quality, boys. The GoPro just took shit on me. Cheers, boys. Talk to you
Bye.
soon. ATV signing out.